Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to add animated image overlays in DesignBeast, which is a 6-in-1 graphic design and animation suite. If you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch my review video to learn more. So I'm logged into my DesignBeast account. I'm in the dashboard area. Let me scroll down. We're going to be using the 3D Live Motion Photos app. I'll click on this blue arrow button to open the app. You'll see these two options here. I'm going to choose the Live Motion Photos option. And in this next step, you need to upload an image. You can drag and drop your image into this box. You can use stock images from Pixabay and Pexels, or you can choose this button to upload your own image. And that's what I'm going to do. I'll choose my image and click Open. So here is the uploaded image. You can choose various dimensions. The default is landscape. You have square, vertical, and free crop. I'm going to choose landscape, and accordingly drag and adjust the crop tool like so. Next, I'll click Proceed. It'll process the image and bring us to this screen. This is the preview section, and in this left side toolbar there are two main sections. In my previous tutorial, I used this top section to show you how to animate still images. So in this tutorial, I'll be focusing on this bottom section. So to add an animated image overlay, click this Add More Effects button, and you'll see this dialog box pop up. We can add different types of animated overlays like falling snow, confetti, hearts, fire, diamonds, and many others. So let me scroll back up. And for this example, I'll choose the snow effect overlay, and it will add it to the image. Let's do a quick preview, and this is what the snow animation looks like. Let me pause it, and if I click on the animated overlay in the preview section, you can change the opacity if you want to using the slider. In this left side toolbar, you can add text, images. You can use the delete button to delete selected objects. You can reset the image, which will clear everything. You can use the save button at the top to save your project. And you can use this export button to export an MP4 video. You can adjust the duration. I'll go with 15 seconds and then click download video. It will begin the download process. This particular project rendered in about 10 minutes, and once it's complete, you will see this confirmation with a preview dialog box. And here's how the animated overlay of the falling snow came out. As you can see, that looks pretty good. DesignBeast is available at a special low one-time price during launch. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.